How to connect Clash of Clans with Facebook. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Clash of Clans account with Facebook to play with your friends. So it's a very simple and easy tutorial. Just open your Clash of Clans with your Supercell ID and then click on this gear option or setting option. When you click on this, you can see there is option called connected. Simply click on connected. Now log in with your Supercell ID. Enter your email and click submit and log in with your Supercell ID. When you log in with your Supercell ID, here you can see the option called add. Simply click on add option. When you click on add option, you can see there are three options: scan QR code, share link to profile, add your Clash of Clans friend. Simply click on share link. When you click on share link, a pop-up menu will be open in front of you. You will see here option Facebook option. Just find and click on Facebook option. When you click on Facebook option, your Clash of Clans account will be connected with your Facebook account. Now you can invite your friends and ask them to join you in game. So this is the method how you can connect your Clash of Clans account with your Facebook account to play with your friends.